Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. Today you will learn how to make portraits look awesome. First of all, duplicate the layer. From Filters menu, select Camera or Filters. Then apply these Camera or Filters. Click OK or press Enter. Now apply a color lookup preset. Choose Fall Colors from drop-down menu. Decrease opacity to about 50%. Now select the orange color and create a solid color adjustment layer. And create a solid color adjustment layer. Change blend mode to soft light and adjust opacity and fill. Create a new layer and choose Brush tool. Tap on the photo. Press Ctrl+T and adjust the size. Adjust opacity and fill according to your choice. Now create a new layer. With white foreground color selected, tap on the photo. Press Ctrl+T and adjust the size. Adjust opacity and fill according to your choice. Right-click any layer and select Merge Visible. Duplicate the layer. From Filters menu, select Camera or Filters. apply these camera or filters. Click OK or press enter. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in next video.